Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Runway Gen 3, the newest AI video model from Runway that's changing the game for filmmakers and creators. Whether you are whether you want to generate short films um, or cinematic promos, this tool is incredible. And in this video, I will show you how to use Runway Gen 3 step by step from a concept to export. Runway Gen 3 is a text to video AI model designed to generate cinematic quality video clips from just a few lines of text. It supports natural camera movement, realistic lighting, stylized, stylized and live action looks, and 4-second video clips longer with pro features. Think of it as your AI director ready to bring your vision to life. Let's go it up. Go to runwayemail.com or search for Runway. From the dashboard, click get started. Create an account for a new video. Just click on 3gen alpha from dashboard. You can search here like gen 3 alpha or generative season. Click on it and click get started standard monthly. Complete checkout details and to time, and now time to create. Here's the fun part. Go back to your dashboard, then click generative video. Select gen 3 alpha. You can use image or use a prompt. Write a prompt like this: wide angle shoot of a futuristic city at night with neon lights reflecting on wet streets, slow cinematic camera pen. Use terms like close-up, tracking shot, slow motion, film grain, golden hour, depth of field. This helps Gen 3 understand your visual intent. Now Choose aspect ratio like 16 to 9 for cinematic or 19 to 16, 9 is to 16 for shorts video like that. For seed for variation or reproducibility, camera motion, choose options like pan left, dolly in, etc. Click. You can select a picture from your dashboard or click create, then upload this image. Now click generate. Wait to wait for 30 to 60 seconds or more. Once it's ready, watch your cinematic short come to life. Not happy with the first results? Tweak the prompt, change the seed, or adjust the motion. Once you have got your clip, let's enhance and export it. Add color grading in Runway or export to DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. Play the video like that. Use Runway's in painting or motion brush to edit frames, combine clips to create sequences like a short AI film, then click download button, then choose a name like first creation, then click save. Here are a few pro tips to level up fast. Use reference images or style presets, combine runway clips in a storyboard style edit, keep prompts descriptive but focused, add post-production elements, lens flares, LUTs, sound effects, watch flame scenes and try to recreate the look using prompts. And that's your complete beginner's guide to Runway Gen 3 for cinematic AI video. It's powerful, innovative, and honestly, a total game changer for visuals storytellers. Let me know in the comments what type of film you want to create with AI text. AI next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.